Alright folks, I'm Evan, welcome back to Oddwood Forge. Got my apron on today, doing a little bit of cutting, so I've toasted up enough pants and coats with a grinder that I figured it was probably about time I start wearing my apron. I'm going to work on a set of tongs today, hopefully wolf jaw tongs. We'll see how they come out, maybe they will be, maybe they won't. I'm going to start out with a piece of couple pieces of coil spring. Kind of assumed it's 5160 or something very similar to it. Those of you that don't know, I work primarily in scrap. I use a lot of recycled materials. I don't use a whole lot of new materials just because I kind of do it on a budget. And it's kind of what I'm into. I like to reuse and recycle, and that's that. We'll see how it goes. Start squaring it up. Give it something to work with here. Start the set downs for the nib. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out 1.5 inches in from the edge of my anvil. I'm going to line up the tip of this, my mark. I'm going to lean it back a little bit. Half on, half off. Start my set down. square. Turn this 90 degrees to my left, go to the opposite side of the anvil, turn it 45 degrees just at the edge of the nib, turn it up a little bit. Again, this is half on, half off. I'm going to set it down like so. Take this out. I'm going to turn it 90 degrees to my left again, still on the far side of the anvil. And I'm going to leave about 1.5 inches. Half on, half off. I'm going to start isolating that boss. Now at this point, I'm just going to keep moving that material back and thinning it out. Trying to get that boss a little more defined. Something like that. I'm going to bend this out just a little bit. It's just so I can set this here. So I can straighten that out, get that nice and neat. Now at this point, that's nice and neat, I'm going to take my nib, cross beam, right in the center, start pushing that down just to widen it out a little bit. just to get it a little bit wide. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit wider. Now, you probably can't see it, but I measured back 8 inches from the heel of my anvil, and I put a mark there, a piece of soapstone. I'm going to use that as my reference for where I'm going to cut off the reins. So that's what we're working with right now. I'm going to start drawing out the reins over the back. Alright, so I got them drawn out to this point. They are about 11 inches on the reins. We started at 8, remember. And this started out as 3/4 round. I think we're about 3/8 now, something like that. So roughly half of what it was, but it was round. We went square, yada, yada, yada. We're going to flip them around, start working on the nibs now, and then we'll take the reins to the octagon and round them up a little bit later. So I got them done. Missed the last part of the video because I was busy burning the hell out of my hand. That was awesome. So this is how they came out. And they hold. This is probably still hot. They hold 1/4 inch well. And I didn't plan for this very well. but they hold 3/8 pretty well. You go sideways. So 1/4, 5/16, 3/8. Anywhere in that area. First set of wolf jaws. Dana, if you're watching this, they're all yours, buddy. Just send me your address. Come and get them.